Hello, here's my self-made Sonos Remote Control. It allows to play pause the music if you click once on this button. If you double click on it, you'll get to the next song. Here you've got the volume control, so if you click once, you'll increase the volume a bit, and double clicking will decrease it. If you turn it upside down in its base, it can be used as a snooze button or a big alarm off button when the alarm sounds off in your room. So basically just tapping on the device will stop the alarm. You only need a few components to build this circuit. First of all, I use a Nut-Tiny 85 to control the circuit logic. It is paired with the two buttons here. You also need a transistor. I use a 2N3904 transistor, and I use, of course, an ESP01 to send the commands to the Wi-Fi controller. Of course, you need the battery, so I use a LiPo battery, 500 milliamps, and a GST connector here. If I click on the button here, it's going to take a few seconds for the ESP to fire up, connect to my Wi-Fi network, and send a command to my Sonos controller. The ESP01 will stay lit up for about 20 seconds, so you can issue other commands without having to wait for the connection time. Same thing applies for the other button, where it is used to control the volume. A few important things to know about the circuit is that in order for it to work correctly, you need to have a computer running Node.js and an API, a Sonos API running on it. All the links for that are in my Instructable, so you'll find all the details here. Second thing to know is that there's a delay for the connection between the ESP01 and the network and the server. So depending on the network latency, the delay might go up to 15 seconds. In my case, it's about 5 seconds on average, sometimes 3, which is highly acceptable. In order to reduce that, I had to play with my network configuration to bypass or to avoid using the DHCP server and the DNS server. So I use direct IP addressing for that. Again, this is all described in my Instructable. The link is down below. Hope you liked it. See you on the next project.